Hey guys, it's Allie. Today we are going to be talking about my new lashes. I got these done by Wink by Maria. She is my aunt. However, if she were not good, I would not say anything to you guys, but she really is, and she has really good prices. Like, lashes are usually so expensive, but hers are like $150 for the first appointment, and then $50 for each fill. You have to go every 3 to 4 weeks to get them filled, and like, you do not feel them. You don't. And I generally wear lashes like every day. It makes it so much easier. Especially if you're not good at putting lashes on, just go get the extensions. Like, they're really great. A few care tips for these are, you can't get them wet for 24 hours after you get them done. So be careful when you're washing your face, and be careful in the shower or going swimming or wherever. You don't even need to use mascara with them. You just brush them out with this little spoolie, and it works really well. Another thing is they are not supposed to get oil on them. Get all your oil out of here. Like, honest review, they're magical. My only issue with them is I do special effects makeup as well, so sometimes I get a little scared to do certain things with them, but I mean, oh well, I'll just get them filled, so it's fine. That's it, that's all. Brush them with the spoolie, don't get them wet for 24 hours after they're applied, and don't use products with oil on your face. They took a hot minute. Mine took me like maybe an hour and a half or something, but then the fills, they take a lot less time. But it takes so long because you have to take each individual lash and like place one on there. It's like tedious work, but it turns out really great. So I really recommend this. I will add a couple of clips at the end here of me going through the process. I'll do my eyelashes before and after, and I will show some videos of how it looks like whilst you're getting it done. You just kind of lay down on this bed with like a light over you. It's actually really relaxing. Like, you can take a nap while it's happening, and it's just so soothing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you did. Check out all my social medias in the description, and also check out Wink by Maria also in the description down below. Go look at it. There it is. Yeah, share with your friends. Tell them to get lashes too, because they're really cool. I'm gonna stop rambling now. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm feeling really hyped today. I got up really early and I'm wearing orange lipstick. Okay, bye guys. Peace.